All right, this is word problems homework number 3. Number 1 says a model for a proposed computer chip measures 1/9 inch by 1 8/9 inches. Find the area. So I'm going to label my picture with 1/9 and 1 8/9. And when we find area, we're going to multiply the length times the width. So I'm going to set this up for you. We're going to take the length and multiply by the width. So your problem's set up. I'm going to leave that for you guys to solve. Take a look at number 2. Number 2 says you fill a 17.5 gallon tub 1/7 of the way full of water. So how many gallons of water are in the tub? So to do this problem, we're trying to find part of the whole tub. So when we find part of a part or part of a whole, we multiply. So again, you're going to take 17.5 and we're going to multiply that by 1/7 because we're trying to find how much is 1/7 of 17.5 gallons. I'll let you guys multiply the two fractions. Number 3, a farmer has 2 1/16 acres of land that's unplanted. The farmer plants corn in 3/4 of the remaining land. So how many acres does the farmer use for corn? So again, we're going to find 3/4 of 2 1/16 acre. So we're going to multiply. Doesn't matter the order when you multiply. 3/4 of 2 1/16 acre. All right, on the back. Number 4 says a blueprint of a house has a scale in which 1 inch represents 4.5 feet. So if a living room wall measures 6.5 inches on a drawing, what would the actual length of the wall be? Well, since 1 inch equals 4.5 feet, we want to know if 6 1/8 inches is what's drawn, how many feet would that be? So we're going to take 6 1/8 and multiply it by 4 1/2. All right, number 5. 5 says a wheel rotates for 2 minutes. It makes 6 2/9 rotations each minute. So how many rotations does it make? So if it rotates 6 2/9 time in 1 minute, we've got to multiply the 6 2/9 by 2 because it's going for 2 minutes. So remember, when you change this mixed number to improper, you can also put the 2 over 1 to help you solve that. All right, and the last question, a trip to a nearby island takes 2 1/4 hours by boat and a 1/4 hour by airplane. So how many times faster is the boat than the plane? All right, so in order to do this one, it's 2 1/4 hours by boat. We're going to divide that by 1/4 to find out what we would have multiplied by to get 2 1/4. So remember, when you do division, you're going to keep, change, reciprocal. And make sure you do 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9 over 4. Then you should be able to reduce and multiply.